Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. LUTFUN LOTA from Bangladesh. Currently, I am living in the UK. Alhamdulillah, I recently passed my MRCP Part 1 exam in May 2025. First and foremost, I thank my Almighty Allah. Without His blessings and help, this achievement would not have been possible. Next, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Dr. Ahad and MRCP Syndrome. I have been in the UK for last 2 years after completing my Masters of Public Health from University of Chester. So I was away from academic studies during that time. So when I was decided to pursue MRCP, I had only 2.5 months in my hand. So I was extremely confused. But there was always a light at the end of the tunnel. So for me, the light was MRCP Syndrome. Dr. Ahad advised me to take all their resources, including Passmedicine, Pearl Notes, Madbox series, and the RCP sample question discussions. I follow his guidance meticulously. I went through the Passmedicine high-yield textbook and solved all the questions from their question bank. The lecture prepared by Dr. Ahad was exceptionally well-organized and concise, making complex topics easy to understand. The best part, he taught us how to eliminate wrong answer strategically, which was a game changer for me. The Madbox series was another crucial tool. I revised it repeatedly in the last 15 days before my exam, and it is significantly boost my confidence. So for the future doctors who are decided to do MRCP, my advice is very simple. Jump on MRCP Syndrome resources. Without a doubt, it will be a best part of your successful MRCP journey. Just it was for me. Alhamdulillah, I cracked my MRCP Part 1 for the very first attempt. So best of luck all for everyone. May Allah grant your success. Allah Hafiz.